I'm back with another unboxing. Hope you guys like my unboxing videos. So today we're gonna unbox the Vivitar 10-inch full color ring light. So it is a vlog podcast essential. It can be used on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, you name it. And you can know this is recent because TikTok is a very recent app, so this is definitely built for future and the time that we're in now. So it has 15 colors, RGB plus white, RGB color temperature changing, RGB colorful ring light shooting just 1 second. No need to change the color filters. So you get a wireless remote and you get a 10-inch full colored ring light. You get a phone cradle, gooseneck, compact tripod with ball head, USB charging, and all those stuff. So I'm guessing this is wireless. You don't plug it in or anything, you have to charge it. So that is pretty much what is on the back of it also, and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. You can see I got this at Burlington for around $20 or $19.99 if you want to say. And it is Vivitar. It is like a budget company. I think I did an unboxing with them already before. I think it was a tripod or something. I'm not sure what I unboxed for them, but I know I unboxed something for them before. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the features, as I said, is bright LED, USB 3.7 to 5 volts, color temperature from 3200 to 580 to 5800K, that is in Kelvin. LED beams 120 pieces. You got RGB beams 48 pieces and all those stuff. So it's perfect for makeup, fashion, and product and photography and video shooting and all those fancy stuff. So with all that said, let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. So got my unboxing knife right here. Not the best unboxing knife, but yeah, you get the point. So cut all the loose edges real quick. Cut here, and we should be able to just pull it out right away. Boom, 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 and boom. Bada boom, bada boom. Here we have the tripod, I'm guessing, right here. As you guys can see, nice and thing in the package and everything. We have the tripod right there, put it one side. Then we go in, we have the ring light. Some of the stuff fall out, but the box is now empty, as you guys can see. So I'm going to put the box aside, and here we have the ring light in the middle. It is really big, surprisingly, and this is how to set it up and all that. The manual. This is I guess attachments, and here we have the remote control. And what I'm going to do actually is go ahead and take it out. So let's take out the ring light. So actually you have to plug it in by USB. I know you could probably get like a, what do you call it, a adapter or something to plug it in the wall. Yeah, you could easily get an adapter like a phone charger or something and just plug it in the wall easy like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the tripod to set it up. So as I said, I'm not sure what this is for right here, but I'm gonna see how I can use it. I'm gonna take this out real quick. Boom, boom. And I'm guessing I should screw it here and screw it like that until it's tight. This goes out like that, nice and easy. And now I'm guessing this can turn this way like that, and you can just tighten it how you want it. And then you're gonna take this, the light, and turn it inside there and screw until it's tight. So after it's tightened and everything is good, you have your phone mount right here, which I said is pretty nice, and I'm pretty sure it is going to be convenient for a lot of people. But I'm not going to use my phone in there. I'm just going to use this for like a video light or something. So I'm going to go ahead and just, where's the remote? Here's the remote. So I'm going to just go ahead, we got the remote, and you have to slide this white thing right here to make it on, because the battery is in there, and this is like something that stops the body from being connected. So now you can turn it on and all those stuff once you plug it in. So I'm gonna just go ahead and plug it in real quick for you guys, and plug it into my computer actually. So let's go ahead and just plug it in like that right there. So now it is actually plugged in and everything. So all I need to do, I'm guessing, is to just press this power button right here and it should come on, or maybe not. Wait, what? Oh, you have to press this right here first. Let me see if I can get it off. So ooh. You can feel the heat from that, guys, like seriously. So I'm guessing the remote, does the remote actually work? I don't know, but maybe you have to turn this one on first. Let's try to turn it on again. So I'm guessing that's the light right there. It is pretty bright, guys, like really bright. Like, let me turn off the lights for you so you guys can see. So there it is, guys. It is really bright, and you can also, I'm guessing, I don't know what this is, it says model, so I'm guessing this changed the color temperature. Yeah, that changed the color temperature. That's a warm light right there. You can turn down the brightness how much you want, or you can turn up the brightness, and as again, you can feel a little bit of heat coming out of it. And you can turn on the RGB and do a lot of cool stuff. Like, really, that is nice for your just $20. That is really nice, guys. Like, just look at that right there, guys. That is pretty nice and awesome. So that's pretty much it, guys, what you can do with this light. Hold on, I'm just going to show you guys like it overhead and see if you guys would like it overhead. So this is like if you're using it as a downlight and doing some videos. So I'm guessing you will have it like this right here, and that would give you a nice lighting, guys. Like, just look at that. Just look at, let me take out all these rubbish off the table and all that. So just look at that, guys. Just look at that for a lighting. Like, isn't that just nice right there? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you reach this far in this video, you definitely like my content, so please consider subscribing. Hold on, let me turn on some RGB to end the video. So please consider subscribing. But until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Yo, this is so cool, guys. Like, just look at that. Wow, this is definitely worth the $20. Probably the one of the things that I bought and actually worth it, like, to be honest. Yeah, but that's pretty much for this video. Let me know what are your thoughts. I try to leave a link down below in the comment section or in the description, so please check it out if you want this light. But until my next video, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.